Here's this old Coleman Evcon. And there's a Whirlpool right there that I'll get to in a sec.
Coleman Evcon, one of those two. Yep, it's an Evcon.
Straight cool, 93, 2-ton.
93?
It's been running. That would be a badass startup right there. Look at this.
Old Whirlpool.
And a Goodman. There's your data sheet on that one. And let's see if this one still has a sheet of data. Let's see. And of course it is.
Yeah, they always are on these.
It's like a mirror almost.
Yeah, they do that on these. I've worked on a lot of these things. They're freaking tanks.
I'm assuming this is good.
Oh, that's a
replaced. Oh no, this is a Mana.
has an Amana logo on the side and a GMZ logo on the top.
Golly.
Looks like it replaced another Whirlpool.
We are hitting the jackpot today.
Alright.
A little dinged up on the side there. That'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching.